Hey, what's going on? It's Jared Muntz, former pro and founder of OnlineSoccerAcademy.com. Today we're learning the basic way to juggle with your feet. This is what it looks like. Now let's break it down and see how we can get you to do the same thing. So key point number one, you want to let the ball drop low. So for example, if the ball's way up here, don't try to kick it. Let it drop low. Key point number two, don't curl your foot all the way back. Okay, even it out a little bit. Key point number three, the power and the movement comes from the knee down. You shouldn't be straight leg kicking it like this. Knee down. And the fourth key point is you want to hit it with the laces. So you're hitting it right on this part of the laces. Okay, not too high up, not on your toe, right in the middle there. So that's the 4 key points. Here's an exercise on how you can practice. Okay, you're going to start with it in your hands, toss it up, kick it once and catch it. Once and catch it. Then as you feel comfortable, go for 2. Then as you feel more comfortable, go for 3. And then after that, try your opposite foot and do your combo and see how many you can get using the basic way to juggling with your feet. Now let's make it happen. Now let's talk about some things that could go wrong and how we can fix them. If you feel like when you're kicking it, the ball is constantly coming back in your chest, in your shins, in your thighs, okay, your foot is curled back too far. Notice my foot is curled back too far now. Relax it a little bit, okay? The second thing that could be going wrong, if that ball is getting too far away from you or you're reaching for it, your leg is too straight, okay? You want to bend your knee. That's where the power and the movement comes from. The third thing that could be going wrong for you, if you're just dropping the ball like that, you're not giving yourself too much time. Just toss it up a little bit, and that will give you more time to react to your juggle. After you feel comfortable juggling with your feet, start using other parts of your body. Then give yourself 3 to 5 tries to go after your new juggling record. Whether you get it or not, your new record, be sure and log in at OnlineSoccerAcademy.com and update your juggling chart and record your new high score for the day. Okay, we're juggling to get better and also juggling to save lives because we have the OSA World Juggleathon to benefit nothing but nets coming up April 25, 2011. You can visit the OSA World Juggleathon page at OnlineSoccerAcademy.com to download a pledge sheet and find out how you can help fight malaria by juggling. My name is Jared Muntz, and remember, if you believe in it and back that up with hard work, anything in life is possible. Believe in it!